In this video, you'll learn how to build front-end applications using Kimi AI. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to utilize Kimi AI effectively for your front-end development needs. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI platform. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Kimi AI URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Kimi AI interface, which features a clean design focused on visual coding and agent swarm functionalities. Next, locate the prompt area on the main interface. This is where you will enter your commands. Click on the designated prompt input field to activate it. You will see a blinking cursor indicating that the field is ready for your input. After that, type the phrase "build front-end apps" into the prompt input field. This specific command instructs Kimi AI to generate the necessary code and components for a front-end application. Ensure that your typing is correct to avoid any errors in the output. Once you've entered the command, click on the Enter key on your keyboard. This action sends your request to Kimi AI for processing. You may notice a brief loading indicator appearing which signifies that the system is working on your request. Now wait for Kimi AI to generate the output based on your command. The generation process may take a few moments depending on the complexity of the request and the current load on the system. During this time, it is important to remain patient, as a larger or more complex project may require additional processing time. When the generation is complete, Kimi AI will display the results in the designated output area. You will see the generated code and components ready for use in your front-end application. At this point, you can review the output for accuracy and make any necessary adjustments. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.